Excess humidity in bathrooms can lead to various problems, including mold growth, unpleasant odors, and damage to fixtures. A quality dehumidifier is essential for maintaining a comfortable and healthy environment. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best dehumidifiers for bathrooms, detailing their features, benefits, and where to purchase them on AliExpress. Number 1. Pro Breeze Electric Mini Dehumidifier. The Pro Breeze Electric Mini Dehumidifier is an excellent choice for small to medium-sized bathrooms. Its compact and lightweight design allows for easy placement on shelves or countertops without occupying much space. The unit is capable of removing up to 9 ounces of moisture per day, making it effective for areas prone to dampness. This dehumidifier operates quietly, ensuring minimal disturbance during nighttime use. Its automatic shut-off feature kicks in when the water tank reaches capacity, preventing spills and overflow. The tank is also easy to remove and clean, allowing for hassle-free maintenance. Its modern design complements various bathroom aesthetics, making it a stylish addition to your space. Key features: compact design, perfect for small bathrooms and easy to transport. Quiet operation, low noise levels ensure a peaceful environment. Automatic shut-off, prevents overflow when the tank is full. Easy maintenance, removable tank for quick cleaning. Energy efficient, designed to use minimal electricity. Number 2. HomeLab 70-pint Dehumidifier. The HomeLab 70-pint dehumidifier is ideal for larger bathrooms that experience high humidity levels. With the capacity to remove up to 70 pints of moisture per day, this powerful unit is designed to keep your space comfortable. The built-in pump allows for continuous drainage, making it an excellent choice for bathrooms that require frequent moisture control. This dehumidifier features an intuitive digital control panel, enabling users to set their desired humidity levels easily. It also includes a 24-hour timer for scheduled operation, ensuring it runs only when necessary. With its sleek and portable design, this unit blends seamlessly into your bathroom decor while providing top-notch performance. Key features: high capacity, removes up to 70 pints of moisture daily. Continuous drainage, built-in pump for easy drainage. Digital control panel, customizable humidity settings for user convenience. 24-hour timer, schedule operation according to your needs. Portable design, easy to move around as required. Number 3. Invisipure Hydrowave Dehumidifier. The Invisipure Hydrowave Dehumidifier offers a modern solution for moisture control in bathrooms. Known for its ultra-quiet operation, this compact unit is perfect for those who prefer a peaceful environment. Capable of extracting up to 9 ounces of moisture per day, it's a suitable choice for small bathrooms or areas with minimal humidity. The Hydrowave's stylish and minimalist design makes it a chic addition to any bathroom setting. It's energy efficient, ensuring that you don't have to worry about high electricity bills. The easy-to-empty water tank simplifies maintenance, allowing for quick and efficient upkeep. This dehumidifier effectively addresses dampness while maintaining an aesthetically pleasing look. Key features: ultra-quiet operation, ideal for use during the night. Stylish design, complements various bathroom styles. Energy efficient, low power consumption for cost-effective usage. Easy maintenance, simple to empty and clean. Compact size, space-saving design perfect for smaller areas. Number 4. Vremi 70-pint Dehumidifier. The Vremi 70-pint dehumidifier is a robust option for larger bathrooms, effectively removing high levels of moisture. It can extract up to 70 pints of moisture daily, ensuring your bathroom remains comfortable and free from mold. This unit is equipped with a built-in pump for continuous drainage, making it an ideal choice for busy households. Featuring a user-friendly digital control panel, the Remodel dehumidifier allows you to set specific humidity levels easily. The 24-hour timer lets you customize operation times, while the filter indicator alerts you when it needs cleaning. This blend of functionality and convenience makes it a popular choice among users. Key features: high extraction capacity, removes up to 70 pints of moisture daily. Built-in pump, facilitates continuous drainage with ease. Digital controls, customizable settings for user convenience. 24-hour timer, allows for scheduled operation. Filter indicator, alerts when maintenance is due. Number 5 EVA Dry E333 Dehumidifier. The EVA Dry E333 Dehumidifier is a unique and eco-friendly solution for small bathrooms. Utilizing silica gel technology, this renewable dehumidifier absorbs moisture without the need for electricity. Once the crystals are saturated, you simply plug it into recharge, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. This lightweight and portable unit can easily be moved from one room to another, providing versatility for various spaces. Its compact design and no-spill feature make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to manage humidity without cluttering their bathroom. The EVA Dry E333 is perfect for those who want a low-maintenance, efficient dehumidifier. Key features: renewable technology, uses silica gel to absorb moisture. Eco-friendly, no electricity required for operation. Compact and lightweight, easy to transport and use in various locations. No spill feature, safe and hassle-free operation. Versatile use, suitable for bathrooms, closets, and more. Conclusion: choosing the right dehumidifier for your bathroom is crucial for preventing mold and maintaining a comfortable environment. Whether you need a compact unit for a small space or a powerful option for larger areas, the 5 dehumidifiers highlighted above offer excellent features and benefits. Available on AliExpress, these products can help you take control of your bathroom's humidity and enhance your living space. Invest in one of these dehumidifiers today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home.